Blizzard Blackout. Igloo looked out the window. Snow was coming down all over the city. The lights were out as far as she could see. "Why are all lights off?" asked her little brother Ben. "The storm made the power go out," said Mom. "That did it. Candles." He put them all around the apartment. Ellie hugged Ben. "Just think, we can pretend we lived in a time before power," she said. The family played board games until Kento milled. The power was still out the next day. "What about school?" asked Ben. "The school is closed," Dad said with a tired smile. Ellie broke Ben's hand. "Just think, we can pretend the day doing whatever we like," she said. The family told spooky stories in front of the fire. The power was still out the next day. "I am cold," Ben said with a frown. Everyone looked unhappy. Ellie brought out extra coats and blankets. "Just think, we can wear our favorite clothes all at the same time," she said. The family squeezed into as much clothing as possible. Suddenly, all of the lights turned on. The power was back. The family cheered. "To think, now everything can finally go back to normal," Ellie said.